get in your stance, get in your stance. It's going to be a step back, step forward, right cross only. Go. Step back, step forward, boom. Step back, step forward, boom. Kind of like that. Good. Go from your chin, throw from your chin, throw from your chin. Good. Step back, step forward. Right cross. Boom. Nice. Good. Back forward. Try to kick that heel out when you throw. Kick that heel out. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Kick that heel out when you throw. Kick that heel out. Good. Kick that heel out. Nice. Jump up. Run in place, run in place, run in place. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to go that way. So when you step, go a jab, step, go a jab, step, go a jab. It's going to look like this. So you're lined up here, boom, take your step, boom, take your step. Don't rush it. So you're not trying to do this. You're not trying to move or slide or shuffle. It's a full step. So we cover up, boom, step, throw, step, throw.
All the way around?
3 times, 3 steps this way, back 3 steps that way. So we're going this way first. So throw your jab, take your step, throw a jab, take a step. 3 times, bring it back around. 3, 2, 1, jab, step, jab, step, jab. Now go back that way. Jab, step, jab, step, jab. From your chin. Back around. Go that way. Boom. Good, Lisa. Good, Lisa. Back the other way. Bring it back, guys. Bring it back. Jab, step, jab, step, jab, step. 3 steps and go back. Step. Don't get too fast. Don't get too fast. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Step, jab. Now take it back. Good. 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 Back to the